to my channel. My name is Jazmine, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my latest Trunk Club box. If you don't know what Trunk Club is, it is a fashion subscription box that you can receive every single month. You can receive it more than once in 1 month, but I received mine in 1 month. So you will get a stylist who will pick out 10 to 12 items for you. They will send you a preview of everything that you will be receiving in your box, so that way you can approve or disapprove anything, any of the items. Once you get them, you keep what you want, send everything back. It's that simple. So we're going to start off with the shoes first, because I did get more shoes in this box compared to any of my other boxes, and so I can move it out of my way. So the first pair of shoes is from Edelman, but it's these beige flats. And they look very cute because I like the cutout right here. It has a point at the tip of the toe, which I'm not really a big fan of pointed shoes. Whether it's flats or heels, not really a big fan of them. But I love the color. But when I went to go try these on, these hurt so bad. Well, they didn't hurt. They were very uncomfortable. So I tried these on in front of my mom, and my mom was like, "Ooh, what size are those?" And I was like, "These are 7.5, because that's the size I wear." She was like, "Let me try them on." So she tried them on, she loved them, so I'm keeping these for her. Next, I got some Fila all white sneakers. So in every single one of my boxes, my stylist will always send me shoes, and majority of the shoes she would send me are heels, which was fine beforehand, but now I have so many heels. Like, majority of my shoes I have right now are heels, and I only have like at least 5% or 10% of flats or boots, you know. Told my stylist like a bunch of times to send me shoes, sneakers, flats, but she always sends me like at least one pair of heels. I'm just like, I can't. She has sent me some sneakers before. She sent me the Adidas all white sneakers, which I kept and I absolutely loved, and then she also sent me these all white Filas, but these are cute. But the only thing is that I noticed at the bottom of the shoe that it's a little bit dirty, so they've been worn. Someone wore these outside, or either they have a dirty house. It makes me sad because I like these a lot. I still might keep them. I'm conflicted. I might do that or just like exchange them for like different ones. Okay, last pair of shoes are some Jeffrey Campbell heels, which I wasn't expecting to get, because with when they send you a preview of everything that you'll be receiving in your box, and when you disapprove stuff, at the bottom before you submit, they give you an option whether or not your stylist can add like extra clothes in to make up the clothes you rejected, and I always click yes for that. So she added these in for other heels that I rejected. So the box is very creative. It is very colorful. I really like it a lot, and it's just nice. It's just a very creative, decorative box. So I got these all white boot heels. I'm very conflicted with this because it's cute, getting like futuristic vibes with it, you know. But like I said before, I'm not a big fan of pointed heels, pointed flats. I feel like this material, it won't get dirty that easily. I do like this detailing right here, but I don't like how short the heel is. I probably would like this a little bit more if the heel was a lot longer. But yeah, I'm not really feeling it. Plus it was $160 and I'm just like, no. So this is a black polka dot bralette from J.CREW. And I have a Pinterest board that I linked to my Trunk Club account. And on my Pinterest board, I have a bunch of bralette photos on there, so that's why she sent me this. It is very cute on. It's just not that comfortable for like my boobs because it raises it up, and it's just not that comfortable. Maybe because it's like very tight. I don't really know, but I have other bralettes from other companies that feel a lot comfortable and make my boobs look really nice. And also it's $36. And I'm like, $36 for a bralette? It's a little bit pricey in my opinion. So yeah, definitely sending that back. I got active wear set. This is from Outdoor Voices, and this is what it looks like. It is a very cute set. So I'm training with my uncle now, and I needed some like more fitness wear, and so I'm happy that she sent me this set because it's extremely cute. I love the color a lot. The leggings fit very nicely. They are pretty tight, and I normally like my leggings to be like a little bit tight, like a little bit loose tight. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, but it feels really nice. I was doing a whole bunch of yoga stretches with these on, and it felt very comfortable. It's just after a while, it feels like I'm suffocating. If I keep these, I might exchange it for a medium, maybe. The top, however, I like a lot, but I'm definitely gonna have to exchange just for an extra small because it is pretty big around this area right here. You know, I can't have anyone peeking through there, so most likely we'll keep this. Next, I got this Nike crop top shirt, and this is very cute. I love how simple it is. The only thing is that it fits weird, like in the arm areas, because the length is like okay because it's just like crop top. It like comes up to like my belly button, which is fine, but the arms is just like kind of tight. And for and this is like active wear too. Is this active wear? Yeah, this is active wear. Since I'm training, I use my arms a lot, and so I don't want my arms to feel uncomfortable when I'm training. And if I wear this, and this is like a size small, then I definitely will be feeling uncomfortable. So I think I'm gonna get this at the Nike outlet because it'll be a little bit more cheaper, and I'm gonna see if they have like a size medium instead of a size small so it can fit me a little bit better. Other than that, I will be sending this back, but I will definitely be taking some Instagram photos in this before I send it back. So next I got a shirt from Topshop, and it's this acid washed oversized crop top. And you know, I like the idea of this shirt. It's just that I wish the blue was a little bit more lighter to make it like more of an acid wash type of look. And I wish that the arms were a little bit, weren't so wide, because I do have slim arms. It kind of like makes my arms look even more small. Definitely not keeping this. Okay, so the next item I got is a dress from Free People, and this dress is very complicated. Okay, so it has a lot of straps. You'll definitely need someone to assist you with this because it's like a lot, at least 4 straps you need to tie on. But I really like this dress because it's giving me like a Marilyn Monroe vibe. It's a very cute dress. Oh my gosh, does it have pockets? It has pockets. I just realized that now. So a plus is it has pockets, which is great. Like any dress that has a pocket is just wonderful. It's very cute. It's very nice for the summertime, or if you want to go to a festival or just hang out with people. So it's very cute, and it's $78, which is very cheap for Free People because Free People is very expensive. So I'm going to like get this from Nordstrom's. I already have it like in my wish list already. I'm gonna get this in the summertime when it's like a lot hotter out here in the Bay Area. But it's very cute. See, that's the thing. I like trying on clothes, and if I don't want to buy them now, then I can find them on Nordstrom's, because Trunk Club is linked to Nordstrom's, or it's like it could be linked to like Zara or like other places, but I get most of my stuff from Nordstrom's. So I just find it on Nordstrom's, add it to my wish list, and it just will buy it later. So the next item is from Reformation, and it's this basic white v-neck tee. So it's pretty big on me, which I don't mind. I like wearing like big shirts, especially as pajamas, but I don't like wearing big shirts that have a long v-neck. Not keeping this at all. Next shirt I got from Topshop, and it's another v-neck wrap thing. I don't really know what this is, and it's a cute shirt. I just don't like how it looks on me. It's very tight, which is nice, but the V-neck does not look good on me at all. And I don't really like the bottom either. It's not for me, so I'm definitely sending that back. And the last thing that is from Topshop as well is this tube dress. And when I seen this in my preview, or when I seen this one, I think this was an add-on item, I believe. I don't know. I know when I seen it, I was like not really excited to get it because I'm like, I normally don't really do tube dresses. But when I tried it on, I fell in love. I was like, I look good in this dress. I'm not gonna lie. I was feeling myself in this dress. Was like wearing this with my black Steve Madden heels. Like, this was one of those type of dresses where I tried it on and I did not want to take it off because it looked that good. It also has a slit at the bottom, which looks so nice, and it just really like complements my body. It's tight but not too tight. It has like this, I don't know what it's called, right here, so that way the dress won't come off that easily. This is a perfect dress if you want to go and get some cocktails, like evening, night out, date night, you know. It's just that perfect dress. And you can also like wear this like as like an everyday type of dress. You can either wear like a t-shirt at the top and just wear like the skirt at the bottom. Wear with some like sneakers. I've seen a lot of people wear like long skirts like these with sneakers, so you can wear like that. So overall, I liked a lot of the items that I received, like the like the activewear set. I like that. Really like this tube dress a lot. Like the feelers, keeping the flats because my mom really likes those flats. Yeah, and then anything else, I'll just buy it somewhere else. Other than that, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.